How you doing today, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Here I'm going to show you how to let your miner through the new Windows 10 update, which is deleting these executables quite instantaneously. It's been a hassle for me, and I'd like to show you how I've been able to get through it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to get it through Windows security as well as our firewall and stop all problems. So make sure you know where your file is located, and let's get to it. We're going to go down here and type in Windows security. Once you have Windows security up, go to virus and threat protection. Look for, it might be different if you are using older Windows, I do not know. This is Windows 10. Moving on, we're going to look for virus and threat protection settings. If you can't find that, look specifically where you can let your add or remove exclusions. Go ahead and add an exclusion. I like to go ahead and just add the folder so I could drop my executable into it. Navigate to where you have your mining rig and executable, like I have so. But you're going to click select folder. Now to move on to the Windows firewall, we're going to navigate back to the main Windows security panel, moving to firewall and network protection. Allow an app through the firewall. You're going to change settings, which will give you access to the prompts here. Click allow another app, browse, and you're going to do the same things before and find the pathway to your XM or whatever miner you're using. Just make sure it's this executable file. So like mine's on my desktop, I go to rig, and then I have my executable here. Click it and press open. And just double check, go to where you have your file. Mine's named xmrig, so it's down here. I have xmrig miner, and I've got them both double checked. Apply your settings, and y'all are good to go. I hope y'all some good luck, and y'all stay safe out there.